I know it's messy. So I know you may be thinking, Mai, like, you just organized your house. What happened to your healthy habits of you picking up after yourself? My house has been messy in about a month and a half to 2 months. Okay, so cut me some slack. That's very impressive. My house used to be messy all the time. So I'm cutting myself some slack, and I am not going to be self-deprecating and tell myself that I'm a disgusting human being, because I know that this is not me. This is the old me. Why is she making a reappearance again? It is because I just traveled. When I left for this travel, it was messy. And when I came back from the travel, I didn't clean up the mess and just made more of a mess. But you know what? It's only been a day since I've been back, so we are going to tackle this mess. I promise you, I'm not living in filth like this. That was the old me. I used to do that. Also, if my nose is red, it's because I literally just sucked all the blackheads out of my nose. Oh, sorry if this is gross, but like, do you see that they're literal like holes now? Empty holes? Oh, ew. It's because I just sucked them out. Anyways, let me do a before for you guys so you guys can see. If you... Why is my voice cracking like that? If you want to be motivated to clean your house, or if you just want to see something satisfying, continue watching this video. But I promise you, I usually pick up after myself. I don't live in this mess anymore because it's so bad for my mental health. And I did not realize how much a clean environment affected me, because my house has been messy for the past, like, I'd say day and a half, and I can't do shit. I like literally can't do anything. So get up, go clean. I sound like your mom. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. This literally has only been like this for a day and a half, y'all. I promise you. Oh my god, this looks so bad on camera. Oh, okay, the room isn't that bad.
Hi, Turtle.
One of the teacups is spilt on my new shirt, but it'll come out, right? What is this? Oh, hell no. What the? Yo. Oh, yo. We're not even gonna. What is going on down there? What is going on, Sterling? What is going on? I'm screaming. This is bad. We gotta tackle this mess. I don't even know where to start. I think maybe starting in my bathroom could be good, because it's like not too much that has to go on in the bathroom. I don't know. We're just gonna get into it. Not gonna lie, I sat on my phone for like an hour, but let's get started. This shit literally has mold on it. It's peppermint C. Oh, it smells like shit. I'm gonna go put this in the sink. I don't even know really where to start, so I'm just gonna start organizing. Look at these white sweatpants, my favorite sweatpants ever. They're so dirty and stained. I hope some bleach will get this out, but they're my favorite sweatpants and they're gross. I'm keeping the boxes of the new stuff that I bought so I could do like a little haul. Oh, honey, go get a garbage bag. Hold on. Yo, why do I always lose the caps? Oh, never mind. I do be losing the caps to though, you know? I'm gonna do a video where I show you guys all my empties because I've been running out of stuff this month. Look how unorganized this is. Things are in places that it should not be. Oh my god, so much cleaner already. Oh my god. I just opened this Real Techniques package and underneath they gave me a Headspace gift card for meditation and a card deck for feelings, for understanding and navigating emotions. This is so cool. Oh my god, I'm gonna use these for journal entries. Who did you turn to the last time you experienced sadness? Maybe you have a friend who can always make you laugh. You have a person in your life that you can share your feeling with. It just like makes you think. Think of a time when you felt anxious or afraid. Where did you feel it in your body? What were the physical signs that fight, flight, freeze system had switched on you? Try being mindful today of little signals from your body when you get fear or anxiety is activated. This is from Banzo, by the way. I know this looks bad, but it's not actually that bad. I basically just like throw a bunch in here. I do need to organize it, but that's for a whole nother video. So for now, I'm just gonna hang up a couple things. This is stressing me out. I'm like looking at this mess and don't know where to start. Oh, I just ate the best tuna avocado sandwich. I'm gonna clean up everything on the couch and just pick things up and put them where they should be. I just kind of finished the living room. Looks pretty good. I'm currently listening to MS podcast. Right now I'm listening to her episode on boys and it's really good. I like was just cooking, so that's why there's crumbs, but we're gonna tackle this. Potatoes. I bought elephant garlic not knowing what it is, and these garlics are fat. Oh. He's spooked. It's raining. I love the rain. Wait, oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I can't wait. Tomorrow morning, the fog is gonna be beautiful. I want to go on a drive. Let's go. Why am I so excited? Oh my god. Oh my god, this is awesome. Wait, I have to get this cactus out of my car. I just feel like singing because it was like emotional in the car, like it made me feel something, you know. Ready? You call me, oh. You call me again, drunk in your pants, driving home under the influence. You scare me to death, but I'm holding my breath, cause you only listen to your heart. You, what the I don't relate to you. No, I don't relate to you, no. Cause I never treat me this shitty. I don't relate to you, no. Cause I never treat me this shit. You made me hate this city. And I don't talk about you on the internet. I gotta open another window. I love this weather. This made my day. Oh, I wish it rained more often here. I say that, but when I was in London and it was raining all the time, I couldn't appreciate it. Like, I hated it. So, I just never win. And I'm burning a pumpkin candle right now. I'm getting very much fall vibes right now, and I'm kind of in love with it. We have to finish cleaning because after I finish cleaning, I want to like paint and like read a book or something. I'm so excited. I haven't been excited about painting or reading a book in so long, but I think this weather really triggered me. That sound was disgusting. Oh my god, that literally made my nipples hard. Also, why has my lips been so dry lately? Like, I don't understand. I'm drinking my water. I just don't understand. Why are my lips dry? Before we load it up though, I gotta grab all the dishes for my room. I don't eat in my room anymore, guys. I used to. Then I thought I have a whole house, like I need to stop doing that. But I do drink tea by my bed and I don't clean it up. Good morning. It's the next day. It is time. Bro, my sports bra is literally suffocating my tits. It is time to unload the dishwasher, reload it, and organize the fridge real quick before we hit the dog park. Oh, I need to pee right now, so bad. I drink 2 liters of water at the gym. I piss every 8 minutes. Clean the dishes. Why isn't this wanting to start? Oh. Fuck, this chopstick is broken. Okay. Trash. Are you sunbathing? Oh yeah. You just want cuddles. When are we gonna go to the dog park? When are we gonna go, mommy? I've been catching feelings over you. I hope you feel them too. I hope you feel them too. My question of the day is it more easy for a girl to be a psychic than a guy because girls have better instincts, which means that our pineal glands are open? You know what? I'm gonna shut up. I'm leaning towards this teacup. Y'all, see how gorgeous this is? Oh my gosh, this brim makes it so easy to sip. Okay, I'm gonna do a haul for you guys of what I got at Target yesterday. Why am I so flustered right now? I'm thinking about someone. And I'm gonna admit that, I'm thinking about someone. I'm thinking about some sort of energy right now, and I know you guys are gonna think I'm insane, but I'm literally like thinking about this energy right now. Okay. Anyways, let me do a little haul. So I got these slippers because Halloween time and I love walking around the house with some slippers so my feet don't get all dirty and stuff. Then I got 2 packs of fuzzy socks because, you know, fall vibes, we want to be cozy. I got these meal prep containers because I'm gonna start meal prepping. So I'll just have them in the fridge and eat dish soap, liquid dishwasher stuff to make the cups all shiny. A scrub daddy. I got one of them. I'm using them right now, but I keep seeing this and I'm like, wait, why have I not bought it yet? You can see it's like really wet. It's because there's no drainage, so I'm gonna put it in here so it stays fresh. All right, I just like low-key organized my fridge. I just kind of like put everything where it kind of should be, I guess. Also, I just fixed up my plants. I don't know where to put these pumpkins. Let me know where I should put these pumpkins. Maybe like here. Oh wait, maybe here could be cute. We'll do like 3 here. Is that cute? Aside from this Lysol. And then maybe I can put right here. Cute. Fix up my plants. This is what it looks like. I've been growing them since I moved in. And I bought a cactus. This is what it looks like. Look at this plant. Like, she looks so pretty. I was so scared of killing it, but look at her. She's gorgeous. She's growing nice and tall. Hold on, let me show you the good. Look at these vines that I've been growing up here. I finally got long enough. I want to connect them and then go all the way down. I wrap them around. These are from the Melrose Shooting Post. I put it in my last vlog, but I've been connecting it on here. Like, how freaking cute is this? That's it for today's cleaning video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And I post like about 2 to 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so subscribe. And then also comment something down below. Like, if you've never commented on a video before, comment on mine because I actually will read it and like your comments. I'm not joking. Like, I actually like love you guys. Like, you guys are my actual best friends. But I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread. Power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest.